Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to insert an image the coding way, which is a great thing for your kids to learn how to do and for you to learn how to do. There's the easy way and there's the coding way. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is, we added some smiley faces the easy way just a little while ago, but I'm going to click on this particular cell right here. I'm going to go over here to where the functions are. That's the function symbol. And I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to go down to Google. And when I get to Google, I want to click on Images. Okay. Now you'll notice it's going to put some stuff inside of the cell. It says Image, and then it's got some parentheses. We need to put something inside of those parentheses. We need to put a URL, which means our image has to live somewhere online. So I found this image. This is the image that we used before, but I created it in a Google Draw. I put it inside my Google Draw that I created myself, and now I'm going to publish this Google Draw to the web. So I click Publish to the web. And I'm going to leave it as medium, and I'm going to click Publish. So it's going to say, are you sure you want to publish? I say yes, and it's going to give me a link. I copy that link. I'm going to go back to my spreadsheet. Okay. Here in my spreadsheet, now I'm going to paste that URL inside those parentheses. And I need to make sure I do something else. I need to make sure that I put quotation marks around the URL. I put a set of quotation marks here at the beginning for the HTTPS, and I put a set of quotation marks around the very last character of that URL right here where this is the 200, and I put the quotation marks before the parentheses. Once I do that, I click return and watch what happens. This is really kind of amazing. There is my smiley face. So all I have to do now is to do the copy paste, and I can put it in any cell that I want because it's the same image and it's a URL. So there you go. I use Google Draw and I use Google Sheets and some coding to put images into my spreadsheet. Your kids can do it too. Thank you for watching.